Hello, welcome. I'm Brent Haug. I'm an artist, and welcome to my art studio. I I wanted to introduce myself to you, or reintroduce myself to you. I've been a painter for a number of years, and I'm working on some new pieces that I'm putting on my website. Uh, they're really beautiful. What I do different from other artists is I think that I have a creative gift, and I see things in color, and I really do work from spirit. And what I love most about painting is the way I just get into it at the moment, and it just frees me. A little bit more about me. Painting became really important to me when I went through recovery, and it's been kind of a wonderful outlet for me for focusing on the positive things in life. I I see how the world is changing, and I've done shows and exhibits all over the world, actually, because I was working and living in the Middle East, and I did a lot of shows in Saudi Arabia and also in Dubai. Uh, my work is unique. I paint with vibrant color, and I use beautiful transitions in oil. So on some parts of my painting, you'll see really thick, like almost like impasto, which means like a paste that's just very thick paint. And then in other parts, it'll be very thin, and it's the transition that's really beautiful. There's a lot of movement in my work. Uh, this one especially is actually put on pretty thick. This piece here is a small landscape. The paintings I have on my website right now are 5 by 7. They're this size, and I have 9 pieces available for sale right now. So when they're gone, they're gone. I think that makes it valuable for people to have a limited amount of art out there. I do also do prints, which are copies that I put a limited amount on, and I do paintings and prints, but I've painted on silk, and I've done murals, and so many different things that I'll talk about it later. But in this moment, I would just like to connect with you. I hope you really enjoy my work. That you'll go on my website and have a look, and see what resonates with you. There's a magical connection that happens when somebody loves work enough that they go, oh, you know what? I really like that piece. That piece would look really great, in my bathroom. I'm not offended. Or that piece would look really great in my office. It's just the right size, and it suits the colors that I'm using. I get it. We all make purchases that resonate with us. But the thing for me that's magical is when somebody says, you know what, I like that piece enough, and I'm gonna get it, and here's part of me to purchase a piece of you. It's just magical, because it's like you love it so much that you're like, wow, I'm gonna get this, and I get it. I got 2 stories for you, real quick. Okay, so and I'll tell you more about myself, but a little bit more. I've done outdoor shows and exhibits. I've been featured on TV and news, and people have written articles about my work, and so that's all great. But then and I have these creative, crazy ideas. Like, I wanted to do a production show. I got together a team of amazing people, creative people, people who are in dance and music, and anyway, so I put together big production shows, and we present. Each painting was presented with a original choreographed dance piece. And I was able to take this venue, and I did the same thing, big production shows in Saudi Arabia. And then I would show my work. And all of this is online. You can go back and have a look and look up my work. I think you'll enjoy it. They're very entertaining. I think some of my stuff has been a little bit before my time. But, you know, I was going to tell you the two stories. Okay, I get sidetracked. Okay, so the two stories are, okay, so I had this woman and she bought a Mexican tile piece for me. It wasn't that much bigger than these, maybe this size. And she was like, she called me back a year later and she said, Brent, she goes, you know what, I want to tell you something. Your tile, we love it so much that we took your tile and we refurbished, we redid, we remodeled our entire kitchen based on your art. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty powerful. And so I thought, she was so excited to tell me that, and I was happy to hear it. So you never know what where things are taking you. So, you know, the other thing is, I had a little girl. She was walking with her parents at an art show. And she broke away from her parents. I had the painting was right here, and she sat down on the ground and she went boom, and she looked up at it. She went boom, and she sat up and she looked at it and she went wow. And I was like, you know what? I don't know if you get a better compliment than that, because little kids are straight from spirit. So I mean, it was hers. That painting just totally resonated with her, and I did sell that piece because it was kind of a wow. So anyway, I'm working on this piece right now. I'm going to each month do something different. So these pieces are the pieces that I've done that are available right now. This is the size of them. I think this helps to see in a video. And they're all different, and there are places on them where you see the brush strokes, the clouds appear in the sky, the landscape in the background. They all have names. They're all on there, and they're available for you. But then I'm working on this painting as we speak. I'm just actually kind of diddling around because I'm just kind of working with some white in the back because I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the background yet, or if I'm just going to leave it white. Maybe you can leave me a comment. You can leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I appreciate when you leave comments. I appreciate when you subscribe. I appreciate when you like my channel, and I hope you'll go to my website and have a look. I really appreciate you being here and listening, and you know, I'm yours. I'm yours. If you are ready to make a purchase, go on the website, and it's all there for you. And enjoy looking at my art. And leave me a comment. I love those too. Okay? All right. Good to see you, and see you soon.